Awesome. So I'm here with Tony, and Tony is actually with AP Lazer. And as you know, AP Lazer works with big format machines that we always want to have, but we're always scared. So we see Nick with Build That Build all the time, showing off the amazing machine that he has. We see it. We all like dying to get it, right? But it's just scary. For us, it's scary. So walk me through AP Lazer. What is AP Lazer? What do you guys offer? What do you guys do for the community of laser people?
So AP Lazer is a family-owned business. We treat all of our customers like family. Once you buy into AP Lazer, you're not just a number, you're not just a sale, you're actually being part of the community. So we've got events throughout the year, training things throughout the year. Support is 24 hours a day, 365 days. So if you need anything, just pick up the phone, we're just a phone call away. We also sell what we call a turnkey package. It means everything is going to be included with your laser machine. You're not going to have to worry about adding on accessories, or am I going to need this, need that. We're going to give you a laser, we're going to give you a laptop, software, all the accessories that come with it. So you can do rotary, so cups and tumblers, baseball bats, anything that's round or cylindrical, you can throw in the rotary. Training, we're going to teach you how to use it. So every laser machine comes with training, so you're not going to be left on your own devices to figure out how to use the machine.
So basically you are going to be, in the moment that you finish your purchase, you receive your machine, you will get your schedule to training classes and all that kind of stuff.
Actually, it's one-on-one training, so it's not a class. It's one-on-one with you and a technician. So just call our tech support number, which is 24 hours. Give them a call and say, hey, I'm ready for my training. They put you on the schedule. It's going to be a virtual one-on-one with you and our team. So if you've got multiple people in your family or people that are going to be running your laser machine, just get that booked. We've also got supplemental information on AP Lazer University. It's a website with video tutorials and how-tos. It's kind of like all your initial training, but it's broken up into like little 5-minute clips. So if you don't remember how to set up the rotary device, just pop onto the university site and walk you right through it.
So you got basically a learning channel for everyone that is in their hands. We all have smartphones now, so you can just go check that. Yeah. You have a 24 hours phone service for anyone needing help.
Yeah.
So you are doing right now 150 tumblers in the middle of the job. What happens? It's Murphy's Law, right? It happens. The tumbler number 120 is the last one that you were able to figure out. Yeah. You have a number you can call at 3 in the morning.
3 o'clock in the morning.
And there's going to be another Tony answering that call.
It might be a James, it might be an Adam, but somebody's going to pick up the phone.
That's right.
Yep. Also, we're U.S. based, so our tech support's English speaking. We've got Spanish speaking. We've also got French and Indian. I don't know if there's any additional languages that our team speaks, but multilingual. That's really cool.
That's important.
They're going to pick up the phone and help you out.
So you're going to be up and running basically in no time because you have a full support behind you.
Correct.
That is on your phone.
Correct.
Video, phone call, you name it. You have a training. You don't need to worry what is going to be the best laptop to buy for the laser that is coming because it's provided with the machine.
Correct.
And what is the software of choose in this case? Liveburn. So it's 100% compatible with Liveburn.
100% compatible with Liveburn.
So you don't need to try to do nothing weird with libraries and try to put your laser to work. It's plug it in and use it.
Yep. And the most common issue is somebody forgot to turn off rotary mode, and tech support can diagnose that right away. And also our techs are really well versed in the graphic design side of it. With our larger machines, we also ship a license of CorelDRAW. So for your graphic design side, and they're all well versed in that. And if you have any problems with any of your files, they can help you with that as well. So it's not just a laser machine, it's not just help with the machine, but also with the software side as well.
Nice.
So if we sell it, we support it.
One of the biggest things that I believe in every laser part of the industry happens is the fear of maintenance of the laser.
Okay.
Because I work a lot with diodes, and one of the main things is the lens. My lens burn after 3 hours of using it. What you will burn is one question. You clean your machine properly, things like that. How hard is to maintain your machine in optimal conditions?
Not hard at all. And actually, we had the foresight to know that you need to keep your lens clean because that's your moneymaker. So we actually have an air assist built in. So that keeps a positive airflow off your lens, so that dust and debris doesn't collect on there. But as far as maintenance goes, daily, just take off your lens, clean it with a little denatured alcohol and a Q-tip. Keep your mirrors clean as well. And then weekly, wipe down your rails, re-oil them. And just overall, just a little house cleaning, and your laser's going to last indefinitely.
It's a quick vacuum, all the little things around it, and brush them.
Yep. And they've got a 3-year warranty on all the electronics and the mechanics. So anything goes wrong, everything's designed to be user replaceable, and we have parts in stock. So just give us a call, or text can diagnose it remotely, ship you the new part, and you're back up and running.
Now, when you say we have all the parts usually in stock, so that's the biggest fear of everyone. I want to make an investment is $25,000, $30,000, and I want to start a real business, something that I can scale.
Yeah.
Right. And it happens that I bought a laser. I'm not gonna say the name. It's kind of a blue around, and they say we have all the parts to fix your laser if everything breaks. But the parts that they have are actually in China, so they need to ship it for 15 days, 20 days to you.
That's downtime for your business.
Right.
So a little bit, what's different about AP Lazer and every other laser out there is our parent company is a manufacturer and wholesaler of headstones and monuments. And so they actually use our own laser machines in a production environment on a daily basis. So we have the experience, we know what businesses go through, and we know that downtime is money. So our thought is, you know what, we're going to sell you a machine, but we're also going to be there to support you and support your machine to make sure you don't have that downtime. If you have any problems with your files, if you have any problems with the machine, we're there. We've also got annual events that we put on called Lazercon. There's one coming up at the end of May. It's going to be in Sandusky, Ohio. If you go to aplazer.com, you can register and join us there. You don't have to be an AP Lazer customer yet. I mean, if you're just shopping lasers or you're interested.
You just want to be with the cool guys.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun.
That's awesome.
It's 2 days straight of nothing but lasers, fun, and networking, and instructional videos, or not videos, but instructional courses.
So that's the Lazercon with a Z.
Lazer.
There you go, Lazercon.
Yeah.
You look online, because I did this last night. We were just talking about, oh yeah, the Lazercon, and I go Google, Lazercon. There's one with an S, but that was in New Zealand.
That is not.
That was a little far.
Not affiliated with us.
Yeah, so it's not that one. It's with a Z, a zebra. Okay? So, Lazercon.
Yep.
What is the biggest experience you have so far from Lazercon? Because a lot of people, another event.
Well, you've got all your networking. You get to put a face to a name that you might have been connected with over the year. But most people just take away that they learned a lot. So it actually helps catapult your game. And also the connections that you make can help take your business to the next level. Because you might find that you're lacking in like photo editing skills or something, and you actually connect with somebody there, they had a class, and now they're going to supplement some of that information afterwards and help take you to that next level.
So you don't need to be AP Lazer customer. Anyone can register.
Anybody can register and come. Yep.
I'll say, just jump on the website, register, and let's make this one the biggest yet.
Yeah. Also, if you don't own an AP Lazer yet, it's the best time of year to get deals. Just saying, Lazercon is our biggest sales event of the year. So I'm not going to tell you any prices, but it's usually when you're going to get the best deal out of the year. So wink, nod, nod.
What kind of lasers besides I'm sure you have the basic 80-watt CO2. What other features you consider the AP Lazer had to offer that is really rare to find?
So the things that make AP Lazer different from other laser systems is I've got 3 different wattages. So you go from 30 to 60 to 90 and 100 watt realm. That's going to take you from different cutting capabilities. But as far as engraving, they're all great engravers. But what really makes it different is that the patented design is open bottom. So you can treat it like a box laser. If you open the lid, you can put your materials in. But if you want to do something larger, you're not going to be limited to like pillars for a pass through like a board or something. The laser literally is bottomless. So you can actually remove the bottom, roll it out, and slide whole tabletop, wine or whiskey barrels can go through it. You name it, it's limitless as far as the capabilities. So even my smallest machine can do like skyscrapers. So
I remember a video that someone was doing the engraving on the hood of the car.
Yep.
We were talking a little bit about it. It was one of those commercials.
Yeah.
All commercials. But yeah, no, absolutely. So you are in the market right now and you want to step up your business. You want to go from a dial laser. Maybe you have a fleet of dial lasers. I have people that have 10 dial lasers. I still don't understand why, because at that point you have 10 grand minimum. right? And you are doing the keypad babysitting of 10 machines.
Yes.
But those 10 machines can do what one
machine
CO2 can do.
Yeah, the speed alone. A lot of people reference like the Glowforge, right? Because it's a CO2 laser that everybody's familiar with. I like to call it the slow forge because it's night and day difference as far as production time. So something that might take 45 minutes on the Glowforge might take 6 or 8 minutes on an AP laser.
And that's important because when you're in a fast-growing environment and your business is at doors of having 1,000 tumblers for a corporation, you just want that pace to go.
Yeah, you want your tumblers done in like less than 3 minutes a piece. You don't want to run in 20 minutes a cup.
Yeah, so if you're in the market, you're looking for a laser, I'm gonna say, just like you saw on Nick's videos. I mean, the laser is beautiful. I'm wearing red. My company's red everywhere, so I'm sold by that. In fact, for those that you know, I grew up in Peru, and the flag is red, white, and red. That tells you something. Same in Canada, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Same in Canada. So you're in Canada, buy your flag. But I think you need to consider two things on a business, on the scale of the business. It's not how much it's going to cost to buy a piece of equipment, it's how much money you're going to get back from that equipment.
Yeah, your ROI. Yep.
Yeah, and at the same time, you don't want to be a slave on your job. You want to do this for a year and be happy doing it and not suffering.
Yeah.
And my experience is with 3D printers. When I started with 3D printers, they were slow. So whatever I print right now in 30 minutes was 8 hours.
Yeah.
Right? So I couldn't scale my business unless I buy more 3D printers.
Yeah.
And then you are a slave of maintenance. Keep up with the 3D printers and try to make everything possible.
Yeah. Not to mention how much floor space you're going to take up in your shop, right?
Or power.
Yeah.
Or power. Your power will goes up. Anyhow, I believe I fairly believe that you want to get the right tool for the right job.
Right.
So take a look of AP Lazer, where they can find the machines, more information about it.
APLazer.com. It's APLazer.com.
Z-E-R.
Yeah, the laser with a Z.
Yeah.
But you'll get to us. And
yeah. He has a funny story about it. I'm not going to put it here, but you can put on the comments. And
come to Lazercon.
You just go to Lazercon and you will laugh about it. But please, take a look at the laser, find the right tool for your job. You are in the laser industry, you want to grow it, you want to make something of it, and you feel like a CO2 is the way to go. I highly recommend to go to aplazer.com with a Z and take a look at the machine, check your budget. I'm sure you guys do financing.
Yep, I've got a couple different partners that we finance with. It just kind of depends on your situation. I'll help point you in the right direction. But they can do anything from like 24 to 60 months for financing. So, you know,
there you go. So you can get the right machine, right cost, and the best bang for your buck. That's what you want at the end of the day. Thank you very much, Tony. Okay. I really appreciate it. Anything else you want to tell people about AP Lazer?
It's a great question.
You just gotta say.
No, we just covered everything.
You just gotta say what they need to do with the laser. Just fire the laser.
Just fire the laser.
Fire the laser. All right, guys. Thank you very much, Tony. See you guys.